Dumako naman tayo sa electronic catalog. Ano nga ba ang electronic catalog? Ang electronic catalog ay isa siyang online documents. The PhilGips shall have a centralized electronic catalog. Ibig sabihin, ang PhilGips ay kailangan magkaroon ng digital database kung saan naroon ang lahat ng informasyon about sa goods and services available for government procurement. Procuring entities shall have procure common use goods, supply materials and equipment from the electronic catalog and the PhilGips. Ibig sabihin, ang procuring entities ay mandatory bumili sa electronic catalog. Para ito maiwasan ang para siguraduhin ang pagbili ay transparent, makatwiran at sumusunod sa patakaran ng pamahalaan. Procuring entities without internet access may avail of the PhilGips public access terminal. Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng procuring entities ay mayroong signal. Yung iba kasi nasa remote province. Kaya ang DBM o Department of Budget and Management ay nag-install ng PhilGips Public Access Terminal. Let's move on, virtual store. Ano nga bang virtual store? Ang virtual store ay para siyang isang shopping kung saan pwede kang bumili ng common use and non-common use material. Ano nga bang halimbawa ng common use material? Ang isa sa mga halimbawa nito ay ang pen, A4, paper clip, and staplers. Kumbaga, ito yung mga gamit na araw-araw ginagamit. At ang non-common use material ay ito yung mga material na hindi kadalasang ginagamit. Electronic payment. Ano nga ba ang electronic payment? Ang electronic payment ay isang digital method of transferring funds. Ang halimbawa nito ay ang GCash, Paymaya, and online bank transfer. Generate purchase order from a bid notice, award notice, or contract. Para ito siguraduhin ang order ay legally approved at para maiwasan ang unauthorized purchase. Support approval process for purchase order before any payment or fund transfer is processed. It means no payment can be made until the order purchase has gone through the internal review and approval steps within the procuring entity. This is to make sure to verify that the order is necessary within the budget and compliant with the rules before funds are released. Have a process to submit requests for payment upon delivery of goods and services and the completion of approval process. After mo matapos lahat ng requirement approval, tsaka ka palang magbabayad para matiyak na hindi mo mababayaran ng mga bagay na hindi mo pa natatanggap. Have ability to interface with the designated bank of the procuring entity and suppliers. Pwedeng direktang makakonekta ang dalawang government agency o procuring entity sa parehong bangko na ginagamit to ensure the transactions are tracked and recorded accurately.